Welcome to video part 12, Address Book, in this series of eDocs support tutorials. For ease of populating your documents quickly with the party details, eDocs has an address book facility to store your business details, your subcontractors' details, and your clients' details for repeated use and to avoid having to manually type these details each time you need to use them. Your business profile is where key details are kept that would be required when filling in contractual documents, including your business's industry license, ABN, and address details. It is also where you can upload your business logo so that your documents can be printed with a customized appearance for your individual business. Where your business has multiple identities as registered with master builders, these can be included in separate business profiles on your account for quick access and customization. Speak to your local master builder's office for more information about accessing multiple business profiles. Subcontractors and clients' details can be stored and kept up to date in eDocs for quick population into documents via the Choose from Address Book option in the document wizard. These details can be entered in advance via the address book using the Create button as you can see here, or they can also be added or edited on the fly through the document wizard whilst you are working on the document. Click on the Choose from Address Book button, create contact, and then save and insert. You can edit or delete your contacts at any time by returning to the relevant section of the address book, clicking on the associated action button and selecting your chosen option. eDocs has a function to import your contacts using a CSV file to import the data. Download the template available in the Import Contacts drawer to ensure your data aligns with the nominated import columns in the eDocs system, as some manipulation of your CSV file may be required prior to importing. Once your CSV file is prepared, return to the Import Contacts drawer, choose your file, and then import. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch the other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local master builder's office.